Hi guys, Eden here from Lang Recipes, and for today magluluto ako ng paborito kong ginataang mais. Now for the ingredients, I'll be using 2 cups of kakang gata, 1 cup of corn kernel, half cup of malagkit na bigas, half cup of white sugar, and 1 cup of evaporated milk. Now optional lang yung milk kung gusto niyo maglagay or hindi. But for me, I prefer na lagyan pa ng evaporated milk yung aking ginataang mais. But before we start cooking guys, as always say, please subscribe to my channel, Lang Recipes, for more Filipino dessert and merienda. And paklik na rin yung notification bell na yan para ma-notify ka kapag may bagong upload na video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share na rin this video to your friends and family. And don't hesitate to comment down below your reaction, your feedback about this video or about the entire channel. Okay lang yan, and I'll be more happy to read it. So without further ado, let's start cooking.